Hi, this is Nick here from Nick's Media Marketing Agency. So, here are the problems businesses that are trying to market online usually face when they're coming in for the first time. They usually face the problem of finding new customers and leads, creating a name or a reputation for their business, having a positive social media presence, and low sales are keeping them from expanding their businesses and growing further and actually becoming a threat to the bigger companies. They're also having trouble setting up personalized business websites, which seems to be a really big problem for people, and they think it's going to be super expensive to do. And sometimes it can be, but if you hire the right people, they can do it for a good price. All right? So our solution to these problems are we do personalized social media business accounts. So we will monitor any business accounts you have. We will, whether it be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, anything, we monitor all of them. So we'll respond to customers or guests who come onto there, or we will actually solve problems for people who are having any type of problem. We run ad campaigns for people, so we really do a lot of testing here. This is what you pay for, really, for us. We know the best audience for you to run your ads to, but the difference is if you really want us to run it to somebody else, we can. We just don't recommend it if it looks bad on your end. Um, we maintain any accounts that you hold, so uh, as a report, like we'll maintain any of your accounts, and this will actually build rapport with your customers and create a positive reputation for yourself in that business area, whether you be a shop or some sort of service, a tree service, anything really. So our business model is it starts with like this. Our activities are we create and maintain social media accounts, we run ad campaigns, we do marketing, and we create enticing deals and discounts for people. All right, our resources. My team slash the workers are my resources here as well as my online marketing programs slash the technology that we use. We do use very different programs than most people, and this gives us a cutting edge advantage over them. Our cost structure is monthly fees for programs. We do salary and commissions for anything that we sell through affiliate links. And the costs for running the ads are put onto you. So, however many ads you want to run, we will charge you for those. Our customers are anyone who searches or shops online, so pretty much everyone nowadays. Our revenue would be monthly slash weekly fees and commission from the products sold through our affiliate links. Value proposition, which would be fast and easy social media solutions that won't cost you an arm and a leg. Like I said earlier, we create websites for pretty cheap. What makes us special? Our team uses special programs for websites such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram that uses algorithm based on the website's code and responds and interacts with the guests in the most effective way and at the most effective times of day to bring your social media account the greatest amount of traffic and in turn the most paying customers possible. Our team also uses somewhat similar programs for any websites or domains that we maintain for your business. So our marketing and sales planner, our core customers are people who want to make money. They're tired of being not being successful as they would like to be. They're a business owner or an entrepreneur, someone who really wants to get out of that 9 to 5 job, but they're struggling to start their own business. The competition would be other social media marketers and working for other businesses, as well as any other businesses in the same field that I am promoting, which would be that's not really a big deal because here in Fort Myers there's not that many social media marketers, so we actually have a pretty open field. The solution here is to offer an expertise in social media marketing as well as a very rare program we got our hands on too. My brand, I am somewhat known in Fort Myers area mostly by small businesses who contact each other through my services about my services through word of mouth. We also run our own ad campaigns directed at Fort Myers businesses. Marketing will be achieved through our ad campaigns, social media, and word of mouth. The competition here, our primary competition would be other social media marketing agencies that are promoting different businesses in the area. Since we don't really have that many in Fort Myers, like it says here, there's not that much competition at all. So pretty much your only competition is someone providing the same service we are promoting, but without the use of a social media platform, or at least without a team to continuously look through and interact on their account throughout the workday. And we can do that for you. So you never have to stop what you're doing at work or stop managing all your employees to go on social media and interact with your guests so you can actually get seen on social media, because the new algorithms, you don't get seen if you don't post at certain times of the day. You don't get seen if you don't interact with your guests. You don't get seen if you post something that may be somewhat offensive to somebody. My team consists of one graphic designer, two social analysts, two community managers, and one care manager, and one social media manager. So what this would be was my one graphic designer would be the one person who actually creates all of our our graphic art that we put on people's ads, and really he gets us any of our pre-made videos that we may need. We have two social analysts. They tell us how our ad campaigns might run, so they know more than most about really how Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram do their ads. They're very good at their jobs. We have two community managers. They just manage all of our customers' accounts. So any of their social media accounts, they do all the community management there. They do really anything that consists of large groups of people and getting people organized. Um, we have one care manager, so he takes care of any problems that any people are having, whether that be on uh, one of our fast food Instagram accounts, or maybe it's a gym on Facebook that we're promoting. And then we have one social media manager, which would be technically me. I look over everything, so that's just, I go over the Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, every type of social media, all the domains, everything. I look at all of it. So our projections and milestones. Our milestone for 2018 is to have a gross income of $350,000, as well as having 15 companies sign up for a premium service. Our projection for 2019 year is a gross income of $750,000 and 35 businesses signed up for the services, as well as an expansion of our business past just the Fort Myers area and a significant increase in the staff. This would due to the time when we really need to up it in staff, because we probably won't have enough people to look over all the customers. By the year of 2020, we hope to have a massive growth of up to $2 million in gross income and at least 75 companies using our services. Status and timeline. As of 2018, we hope to remain at a staff of 7 and try to increase the number of businesses using our services. As of 2019, we hope to increase our number of staff members, as well as invest in newer programs to keep customers happy and satisfied in their investment for our services. And then as of 2020, we expect rapid growth, as well as new technological advances addressing any issues our clients may have had in previous years using our services. Alright, our summary and call to action would be: come to Nix Media Marketing Agency and give it a try. Come give Nix Media Marketing Agency a try with our free week trial without, what do you have to lose besides hundreds of customers and thousands of dollars lost due to lack of social media presence and expertise? And I promise you, we can do it better than anybody and at a better price than most. So we also do have special programs, and I can't name them because we are under contract. We can't put it out there yet until they're fully released. But most people do not have them. We can constantly update your accounts, every day. We could do it every hour, every 30 minutes. We could check it, respond to every person who's commented on something you've done, respond to every person who's given you some sort of instant message or DM, anything. So we hope to have your business, and all we need from you is some really good products and a really great business to promote. Anything you want to do, if you want to give us some discounts we could promote, that's a great way to get more customers to come in. However, if you don't want to do that, we have plenty of other options for you. Just let us know and we'll be here. I hope to see you guys soon. Have a great day.